Before you rush to add the Metabo to your toolkit, there are a few surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The Metabo C3606DPA is a cordless track saw designed for precision and versatility. Its sleek design and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable use during extended cutting sessions. But does it match the premium feel of its competitors? This track saw boasts a brushless motor, delivering consistent power and efficiency. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the RPM between 2500 and 5200, catering to various materials and cutting requirements. With a cutting depth exceeding 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, it handles thick materials with ease. The bevel capacity ranges from -1 degree to 46 degrees, providing flexibility for diverse cutting angles. A standout feature is the 360-degree swiveling dust port, which helps maintain a clean workspace by directing dust away from the cutting line. The included 4.0 amp-hour multi-volt battery offers substantial runtime, and the rapid charger minimizes downtime. The stackable hard case ensures organized storage and easy transport. Priced competitively, the Metabo offers a balance of performance and value. If you're seeking a reliable track saw without breaking the bank, check the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: limited availability of compatible guide rails, slightly heavier compared to some competitors, no onboard storage for the hex wrench. Pros: powerful brushless motor for efficient cutting, variable speed control for versatility, deep cutting capacity suitable for thick materials, wide bevel range for diverse applications, effective dust management with swiveling port, includes battery, charger, and hard case for added value. For the latest deals on the Metabo, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video for more reviews.